Hey guys, what's up? Let's show you my fridge. First, here's a cat sitting in there. Pretty kitty. Pretty kitty. School's a little dark in here. My girlfriend turned off her light so she went to bed. Turn the light off. Oh, I'm not smart. Where's the light? No, you're okay. Let's do the freezer. Buttermilk waffles. Got some tasty hash brown patties over there. Some country fresh strawberries. Some chicken burgers. 2 of them. In here we've got some 12 grain bread. Some mahi fish. Very good. Everyone should try it. Some pork cutlets back there. Some ribs. Baking soda, do not remove. Got some ham and cheese crepes. I don't really like those that much. Some french fries. Pizza. Some delicious pizza. Make sure everything's back in there properly and the door closes and the seal. Let's try the fridge. Let's go for the door first. Some Catalina dressing. Open door. Some Hellmann's mayonnaise, some cheese, grilled cheese slices, some VH soy sauce, VH mango curry, very good. Some more Catalina dressing, Catalina, bigger bottle of Catalina, some sesame seed paste, garlic, lemon juice, more Catalina, ranch, some more ranch, barbecue sauce, chili sauce, not mine, the blue cheese dressing, some stir-fried crab, more lemon juice. Pickles, Parmesan cheese. Got some buttery basil over in there. I don't know what the hell that is in the back. Some Dan Active. This tartar sauce from my fish the other night. I made too much because the girlfriend Sarah never ate me. Some cherries. We got some eggs. My water jug. Actually, let me take a drink from that. Some Frank's Red Hot, Tony Romo's. Got some relish, some stuff, some more stuff. Hell of a good dip back there. Some more Tony Romo's. Artichokes, jar of piss. Got some ribs for tomorrow. Some apples, some yogurt. More apples, carrots. I don't know what the hell that is. I think it's a pear. I don't even want to know what that is. Okay, that's my fridge and freezer. So, yeah, peace.